Okay, so this is pizza dough, obviously. You buy it like this from the store. I mean, you can use a crust, but cooking pizza dough out there on the grill is a very, very fun thing to do. So a little olive oil on the pan. And then here comes the challenging part, sometimes getting out of the bag. I smell the yeast. Stop it. Stop it. There we go. All right. The key now is to spread this out. And we want this thing to be about 1/4 of an inch thick. I don't like it to rip. And that's annoying when that happens. It's not going to be a perfect shape. Oh, come on, you. Don't be doing that to me now. It's not going to be a perfectly round pizza. It's going to be a rustic looking pizza. This kind of pizza dough you need to take out of the fridge 15, 20 minutes before you're going to use it to let it relax a little bit. If you just took it out of the fridge and tried to spread it, it would go like this and then snap right back, and that's not what you want. Nice. Nice. Okay, just wait. All right, so here's where we're going. Mashed potatoes. And bacon. So I'm gonna warm these two up a little bit. So when we get out there, well, you'll see. So this will go in the pan. Little heat. Just gonna get it a little bit crispy because it's not really gonna get crispy out there. Mashed potatoes I'll put in this little guy. I probably won't use all of them, but I want to make sure I get outside with enough. So bacon doing its thing. I'm gonna want a little bit of garlic when we flip it. So I'll just bust up one of these guys now, and we'll have it outside with us. Bacon just getting a little tiny bit crispy, right? Not too much. Mashed potatoes. You won't get enough heat at the grill to really heat these through, so you got to get them warmed up before they go out there. All right. Pizza dough. Put the garlic in here. Little olive oil. Pizza dough. Brush. Mashed potatoes. Here's what we're doing. We're taking a break. I know, we're coming back. It's gonna be amazing when we come back. We're taking a break, like 2 minutes. Michelle, how long is the commercial?
3 minutes.
She says we're away for 3 minutes. It's a long time. I'd like to make it 2. Can I suggest that it's only 2 minutes? Nobody cares what I have to say about this. I have no, it's 2 minutes?
Yes.
Oh, apparently it's 2 minutes. Thank you, Shannon. Okay, we're going away for 2 minutes. When we come back, all of this goes together out on the grill. And now Michelle doesn't get any because she was wrong. Hate to point out her flaws, but they're there from time to time. Don't go away. Hey, it's the Sam the Cooking Guy. Let me get this out of here. So I have a website, and there it is, thecookingguy.com. And if you go there, everything's there that you want to know about the show. There's books and the season 1 DVD, and there's knives and cutting boards and information about classes and recipes. Any recipe you want, most of them are there. And you go buy shirts in the store and stuff like that. And the Cooking Guy thong with the little, the big logo. Okay, there's no thong, but there could be. But go there anyway. You'll be so glad you did. Thecookingguy.com. This is Sam the Cooking Guy. All right, we're all set. I've got my pizza dough. I've got my mashed potatoes, my bacon. This needs to go on here, but before it goes on, I'm gonna give it a tiny little bit more oil. And I put the garlic in here, so we're gonna add a little flavor to it. The oil will keep it from sticking, and the garlic will give it extra flavor, and everybody will be happy. It's always a bit of a challenge. Oh, here we go. I see trouble. All right, so we're gonna have to deal with the hole. Nothing we can do about that. Here's our goal. I can't really show you yet. The beautiful grill marks underneath. Now, because this is now gonna be the new bottom, when we flip it, we want the same thing. We don't want it to stick, so we'll give it a little of this garlicky flavor, right? If you take a look right here, you can see it's starting to get color. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. And I have cheese, Monterey Jack cheese that I meant to bring. Okay, so watch how we're gonna do this. Look at that. That's beautiful. I've turned this side of my grill off. This side is now off. Because I don't want it too hot. So now here's how this baby goes down. Mashed potatoes. Oh, I can just tell you. Uh-oh. This is gonna be so good. Look, I did use all the mashed potatoes. Now I need the bacon. I can smell the oil. Oh gosh, and I want to get the cheese on here. My hands are greasy. Not too much. Maybe half a cup. Shut light. Oh. Magic, it's doing its thing. It's gonna be like 3-4 minutes, maybe 3 minutes, maybe less. As soon as the cheese melts, goes in. Look at Haley. What a sweet girl. And then there's Lucky, just looking for food, hoping something's gonna drop. Right, baby? Nothing's dropping, I promise. And, she's beautiful. Come on, baby. Oh, let's go eat. And there you have it. Rustic, beautiful, like a handmade farm pizza. I don't even know what that would mean. But we'll try a bite. Oh my God, that is really good. The dough's great. Totally different from the store-bought ones. The potatoes, bacon, crispy, and just a little hint of garlic, little. Nothing overwhelming. Wow. Instantly a new favorite of mine. So make this.